If the culture is strong, new people will become like the culture. If the culture is weak, the culture will become like the new people, says Steven Bartlett. Welcome back to Poetics of Success. Today we're diving into the world of business, personal growth, and success. We're about to explore the newly published book, The Diary of a CEO, The 33 Laws of Business and Life, by Steven Bartlett. Steven Bartlett, the founder of Social Chain, shares his hard-earned wisdom and principles that have guided him to success. Before we get into the 33 laws, let's set the stage. In today's fast-paced world, navigating business and life can be daunting. This book may be your compass, your guide, and your source of inspiration in managing your issues. Whether you're an entrepreneur, a seasoned professional, or simply someone looking to level up in life, this book offers profound insights into principles that can unlock your potential. Over the next few minutes, we'll explore key takeaways, discuss real-life applications, and share personal anecdotes that explain why this book matters. Get ready to discover self-awareness, the growth mindset, and resilience. We'll dive into these topics and more, sharing Steven Bartlett's ideas. Whether you've read the book or are considering it, this journey will be enlightening, empowering, and transformative. Let's embark on this adventure together. If you enjoy videos that inspire and educate, subscribe and ring the notification bell. Now, let's start unraveling the laws that can shape your destiny and lead you to success in both business and life. Welcome to the journey. Steven Bartlett is a British entrepreneur, author, and public speaker known for his significant contributions to the fields of social media and entrepreneurship. He founded his first business, an events company, at the age of 17 while studying at Manchester Metropolitan University. At the age of 22, Steven co-founded Social Chain, a social media and marketing agency that quickly gained recognition for its pioneering approach to digital marketing. Under Steven's leadership, Social Chain became a major player in the industry, leveraging social media to drive engagement, brand awareness, and sales for clients. Social Chain's unique strategies involved harnessing the power of viral content and influencer marketing to create successful campaigns for brands. Steven is also a sought-after public speaker, sharing his knowledge and experiences at various events, conferences, and on platforms like TEDx. He has been involved in charitable work, including initiatives to support mental health awareness and youth education. Steven Bartlett's story serves as an inspiration to aspiring entrepreneurs and individuals looking to make a mark in the world of business and personal development. Steven Bartlett's passion for sharing his insights and experiences led him to write The Diary of a CEO, The 33 Laws of Business and Life. In this video, we will focus on how he provides valuable lessons and principles he learned throughout his entrepreneurial journey, aiming to inspire and empower others to achieve their goals. At its core, The Diary of a CEO is about empowering you to become the CEO of your own life. It's a guide to navigate the intricate dance between the business world and personal growth, offering invaluable lessons from a self-made millionaire. With 33 laws, Bartlett dissects the core elements that have led him to where he is today. These laws touch upon essential aspects of life and business, forming a comprehensive framework for success. In the first place, Steven Bartlett underscores the significance of self-awareness, highlighting how a deep understanding of one's strengths, weaknesses, and values serves as the cornerstone for achieving success in business and life. The author promotes the adoption of a growth mindset, motivating individuals to welcome challenges, extract valuable lessons from failures, and relentlessly pursue personal and professional development as key components of success. Bartlett delves into the vital trait of resilience, sharing personal anecdotes and emphasizing the importance of persevering through adversity and setbacks, drawing from his own remarkable experiences in the world of business. The book underscores the paramount importance of possessing a clear and compelling vision for the future, asserting that such vision serves as the linchpin for realizing enduring aspirations and making purposeful choices in both business and life. Bartlett defines effective leadership as the art of inspiring and motivating others, underpinned by authenticity and unwavering integrity, offering a blueprint for fostering strong, ethical leadership in the realms of business and life. Cultivating innovation and adaptability, particularly within the context of a dynamically evolving business landscape, according to the author, is very important for urging individuals to embrace change and creativity as vital elements for enduring success. Individuals adapt to change and maintain agility when confronted with evolving challenges. The capacity to embrace change is a fundamental skill for navigating the complexities of both business and life successfully for Bartlett. Networking in the form of cultivation and nurturing relationships with others serve as powerful mechanisms for unlocking doors and creating opportunities, thus contribute significantly to one's success in various domains, according to the Diary of a CEO. Bartlett highlights the indispensable nature of financial literacy, stressing its importance in comprehending financial principles and managing resources wisely, a skill essential for both personal and business triumph. The critical value of effective time management is emphasized in the book for its pivotal role in optimizing productivity and achieving a harmonious balance between work and personal life. Steven Bartlett believes that cultivating gratitude has a transformative potential, and embracing this mindset can pave the way for heightened happiness and enhanced prospects for success in both life and business. Giving back to the community for the author is a noble act, and actively seeking ways to make a positive and meaningful impact on the world reflects one's commitment to social responsibility and shared prosperity. 1. Self-awareness. Our first takeaway from the book is the power of self-awareness. In this book, Bartlett underscores that understanding oneself, including our strengths, weaknesses, and values, is the cornerstone of success. It's about peeling back the layers to reveal our true selves, much like Bartlett himself did on his journey to becoming a CEO. When we are truly self-aware, we make better decisions, build stronger relationships, and become more effective leaders. Bartlett's emphasis on this foundation is a reminder that self-discovery is an ongoing process and an essential aspect of personal and professional growth. 2. Resilience. The second takeaway is resilience. The Diary of a CEO is filled with accounts of setbacks, challenges, and moments when Bartlett faced adversity in his business endeavors. Bartlett's story reminds us that resilience is not just about bouncing back from difficulties. It's about using these challenges as stepping stones to growth. His personal experiences inspire us to persevere through tough times, knowing that resilience can be the key to overcoming obstacles and achieving our goals. 3. Giving back. Our final takeaway from the book is the concept of giving back. Steven Bartlett is a strong advocate for making a positive impact on the world, and he encourages others to do the same. Bartlett's experiences demonstrate that success isn't just about personal gain. It's about how we contribute to our communities and the world at large. By giving back, we not only make a difference in the lives of others, but also find greater fulfillment and purpose in our own journeys. So, there you have it. 3 powerful takeaways from The Diary of a CEO: self-awareness, resilience, and the importance of giving back. While The Diary of a CEO by Steven Bartlett offers valuable insights and inspiration, like any book, it may have some drawbacks or limitations that readers should consider. The book is a reflection of Steven Bartlett's personal experiences and perspectives, which may not resonate with every reader. The book primarily focuses on Bartlett's experiences as a young entrepreneur, and it may not offer a broad range of perspectives or insights from individuals in different industries or life stages. While the book emphasizes success and personal growth, it may not provide enough attention to the challenges, failures, and setbacks that are an inherent part of the entrepreneurial journey. Some readers may think it lacks a balanced view of the realities of business. While the book offers valuable principles and concepts, it may not provide in-depth, step-by-step guidance on how to implement these ideas in one's own life or business. Some readers may also wish for more specific examples and case studies to illustrate the concepts and principles discussed in the book. The book may primarily cater to a specific audience, such as aspiring entrepreneurs or those interested in digital marketing and social media. Readers outside these domains might find some of the content less relevant. It's important for readers to approach The Diary of a CEO with an understanding of these potential drawbacks, while also recognizing the book's strengths and the valuable insights it has to offer. Good work is the culmination of hundreds of tiny details. Most successful people all sweat the small stuff. Steven Bartlett. Throughout the video, we have explored concepts such as self-awareness, resilience, networking, and the growth mindset, which would be the keys to unlocking your full potential. What I honestly think is that Bartlett's writing is both compelling and practical. He doesn't just preach. He shares real-life examples and anecdotes from his journey, making these laws relatable and actionable. So grab your copy of The Diary of a CEO and decide for yourself in your journey of success. Poetics of Success may lead you a path that can reshape your perspective on productivity, success, and business. Stay tuned and motivated as we unlock the secrets to success in different walks of life.